Hey everyone, so EVBase sent over an entire set of their mats, okay? We've got, well, I don't know what this is, like front trunk. We've got all the cargo liner mats and then the full interior mats too. These are both very durable. The cargo mats are slightly different and I will show you that. These look actually really slick. We'll get into all of this though in the unboxing. We'll put it in the car, take a really close look at it, I'll show you the materials, tell you how durable I think these things are, and as usual, all the links below. Don't forget my discount code, TSLAUCAY, saves you money and works just about everywhere. Check out EVBase, they sell all kinds of stuff. I've reviewed a number of their products by now and it's good stuff. All right, let's see what we got in the box. Looks like sub-trunk and frunk mats. All right, good, good. We got some packaging fold things here going on. All right, cargo liner. Nice, nice. So my mind was on floor when I was looking at these and I couldn't figure it out. Seat backs. All right, check this out. This is nice. All right, looks like it sticks. We got a lot of carpeting on the back of those seats, and I know Velcro sticks to that stuff like crazy. So that's what we got here. So that is going to go really well with the bed liner because once you put those seats down, you're going to just be able to slide everything in. All right, that's pretty nice. That is nice. Let me show you this material a little bit closer. So it's, you know, it's like a rubbery plastic, I would describe it as. It's not like hard plastic, but it's also not like super soft and rubbery. It's a little bit in between, and I don't know, does this help? And you can see the texture on there, as well as this ribbed action. That's nice. I like the fact that we've got these lips here, so that if you spill anything, it's going to stay intact and not spill over. That's nice. Oh, and you know what, too? Durable. This stuff feels tough. It's got some thickness to it. It doesn't feel like super chintzy. It's not, these aren't the thickest cargo liners I've ever seen. I've seen some really, I've gotten some thick ones. You can check my other videos. You know, maybe you're a contractor and hauling all kinds of crazy stuff in your Model 3, Model Y. You know, maybe you'd see differently, but for the average person, you know, you go to Home Depot and you could throw all kinds of stuff in here and not have a problem though every once in a while, that's for sure. Okay, I don't know why these mats always look so huge once they're out of the car, but these look good. Okay, so this is for the back seats, and I'm going to use a smaller mat to give you a close-up just because this thing is kind of hard to handle. But this has a really nice look to it. It's almost like it, I don't know what it is. It's kind of, the light is playing off of it a little bit. It's kind of a cool look. I like that. It's got a nice texture to it. And again, these feel very durable. Okay, I like these. And different material than these. I'll show you in a minute here when I get a smaller mat that I can handle. Okay, so this looks like the passenger side, same material, and I don't know if this is showing up like on the camera, but it's, I like the way what it's doing with the light. It's kind of shimmering a little bit. That's cool. Okay, so obviously we got like a packaging thing here that I'm sure it goes away after some time. What do they call it? It's like a TPE kind of a material, which I like because it's durable, yet it has kind of a softer feel. The texture is nice. The back feels definitely more plasticky. And then they put this coating of, maybe this is TPE, I think. I'm not positive. On the front of it, which again, I like that. But yeah, these feel really durable. And to compare it, this is not like TPE. This is just like, again, a rubbery plasticky material with just like a texture in it. Whereas this is, again, this is probably TPE, and so it's just different. I like this. I like this feel. Again, this looks like passenger side and then driver's side. Again, we got a little fold. This is nice. You've got to have floor mats with the footrest on it because that footrest is going to get messed up. Looks good. And again, you've got these lips that fold up, so in winter time or just when it's really wet, you want to be able to collect water in here. You don't want them spilling over because it will spill over and mess up the carpet. And yeah, this goes up nice and high on the sides. Look at that. These are definitely nice. I like what EVBase has done here. Yeah, let's get them in the car and see how they look there. All right, let's take a look here. These are the factory mats, which, you know, they're fine. They're okay. They serve their purpose, but look at this right off the bat. Right in here. Everything's getting in here. And obviously, if we're in winter, it's raining really bad, we get a lot of water in here, it's gonna overflow all the way around. And sure, this might soak some up, but it you know, there's not a lot of, I can't imagine it's gonna absorb that much. And again, it's still gonna overflow. And then here, forget it. I mean, it's just gonna be all over the place. The I have a hard time not calling this a gas pedal, but the accelerator, definitely with your foot is going to be hitting over here, we're going to have problems. It's going to mess this carpet up. So that's the issue with the factory floor mat. So now let's check out the alternative here, and again, much better than this. All sides covered. Here, this gap covered. Everything's covered. Obviously, you know, you're going to want this footrest covered all the way up. This is very high coverage over here. That's fantastic. So we get wet, we get water, we get snow, anything. It's covered in here. And check out the unboxing. But this is like a grippy kind of, I think it's a TPE they call it. It's a really cool material. It cleans really easy, very durable, and it's got some grip, some traction to it. You know, you don't want your feet sliding around. So yeah, and then I don't know, it's got this kind of this shine factor to it. I don't know what it does with the light, but I like it. It's got kind of a cool look to it. So yeah, anyway, driver's side and why this is definitely better than the OEM mats for sure. Let's take a look at the other mats. Yeah, check it out. Looking good. Looking really good. All right, here it is. Back seat. Check it out, full coverage. I've got that seat all the way up. This one I did put up, but not all the way, so you can see these mats go pretty far up there, and they've got massive lip here. Get that in there. Massive lip here. A little bit there, but the car kind of also slopes down. So, you know, no worries there. But yeah, check it out. Looks good, full coverage. Nice. Recommended. All right, so check this out. All right, this is just obviously the cargo liner for the back bottom. Now, let's put these guys in. So check this out. So right from the trunk all the way up here, nice, super durable. And yeah, again, these things, they're not going anywhere. You got to like really pull them to get them off. Look at that. All the way up to the seat backs. Nice. Again, super durable. We've got the lips going on here to keep all the water and whatever gets in there out of your car and just stay on the mats. They clean up. Really nice set. Even if you don't slide something all the way up, you have the seats back into you know, normal position. Well, let's take a look. I'll show you what I mean. So yeah, anything you put back here might just bump into these seat backs here, and they're not protected. Well, you know, now they are. I gotta say, you know, again, recommended. It's a little bit of bulging in here, you might see. I made the mistake of not laying these out. I had them in the box right before I made this video, so they're still kind of got some fold marks, but all this settles down after a while. And then it's got like a fold seam there, so sub trunk mat fits in there just right. Again, goes up on the edges here to keep everything in. Mainly liquids. Everything's protected. Fantastic. Now, the frunk. Okay, can't believe I forgot this, but frunk, okay? Didn't shoot the video, but here's a picture of it. It fits fantastic. I did put it in later, just like the sub trunk. Same thing, recommended, can't go wrong.